Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called convert sorted list to binary search tree. Let's solve it. Given the head of a singly linked list where elements are sorted in ascending order, convert it to a height balanced BST. For this problem, a height balanced binary tree is defined as a binary tree in which the depth of the two subtrees of every node never differ by more than one. Okay, so we've been given a linked list and we need to convert that linked list into a tree. And linked list has certain properties which we need to understand that once we go ahead, we can't come back because we have a pointer which travels in the linked list. Whereas this is something similar to the problem of converting an array to a linked list, but an array we had the liberty to go anywhere, but in linked list we are constrained. So for that, we'll be converting this list to a binary search tree, and uh, we need to basically check where is the so what we can do in this problem is that we need to check first where is the middle of the linked list, right? So middle of the, since it is in a sorted order, so we know that the middle of the linked list uh, would be the would be the root of the tree. So a linked list, if it is sorted, then we know that the tree would be in the in order fashion. In order fashion means left, middle, then right. That is the in order fashion. So we know that the middle of the linked list would be the root of the tree. So for that, we need to find the middle of the linked list, and then we can recursively tell the recursion to find the left subtree and the right subtree. So that is the basic intuition, and let's code it. And I'll be explaining along with it. So if head is equal to null pointer, so return null pointer. Okay, so that is the base condition, and then I call this function called to_bst, which will give us uh, the which will give us the root of the tree that we need. And I'm also passing a variable called another list called pointer called null pointer. So that is the tail of the linked list. So that will point to the tail. So now let's write the function to_bst, so tree node star to_bst. So we have first is list node star head comma list node star. Uh, we have what do you call? Let's name it tail. Yeah, tail. So now let's write the algorithm for finding the middle of the linked list. So we know that how to find the middle of the linked list. We can use the two pointer runner technique. So in that we need to maintain two pointers, right? So list node star. The first one is slow. Second one is fast. So both of them we initialize uh, at the head of the linked list. And then we check while fast is not equal to tail and fast next is not equal to tail. Okay, wait. Fast next is not equal to tail. Fast next is not equal to tail. So we can do either ways, and then we do slow is equal to slows next. Fast is equal to fast next. Fast next, we increase the second pointer by 2 times the fast next of next. Now then we create a tree node star, let's name it t head, which is basically the root of the tree. So for that we'll be making a new tree. So for that, new tree node slow val. Okay, now I'll recursively call the left subtree and the right subtree as I told you. So t head left is equal to to_bst uh, head and till the point slow. So basically, if we have the middle of the linked list, we know that everything on the left side would be there on the left side of the tree, and everything on the right side would be on the right side of the tree, because we know that it's a sorted linked list, and everything on the left is smaller than the middle, and everything on the right is bigger than the middle. So that is the property of BST, and that will be satisfying here. So for that, For the right side, we will be, writing stereo uh, BST slow next, slows next. Okay, we are at the slow. Slow is basically the middle of the linked list. So everything before that would be on the left side, T head of left, and T head of right would be having slows next till tail. And then we simply return uh, T head, which is the tree node root of the tree. Now let's write the base condition that if head is equal to tail pointer, so then we return the null pointer. Okay, so this will basically solve the problem of giving us the the tree node, converting a linked list into a tree. So let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. Okay. Mm, head cost is not equal to null pointer. It's not equal to null pointer. Yeah. Okay. So that is accepted. So let's just run through the code again to know what we have done here. First, we know that we have been given a sorted linked list. So we know that the middle of the linked list would be the root of the tree, and everything on the left would be smaller than the middle, and everything on the right would be greater than the middle. And so we know that every BST has a property that everything on the left is smaller than the middle, so smaller than the root, and everything on the right is greater than the root. So therefore, we called recursion on the left side of the tree, which is head from head to slow, and on the right we'll be calling from slows next, which is the middle's next, to the end of the link at the end of the linked list, which is tail. So we do the recursion for both of these parts, and we divide the problem into smaller parts, and then we have a base condition that if head is equal to tail, then we return the null pointer. So this is how we have done this problem, and I hope you guys understood the problem. Do solve it. Thank you.